On-page SEO versus off-page SEO. Which one comes first? Hello and welcome. I'm Shahan Behkamrad, founder of Shahan Digital. Today, I want to explain on-page SEO and off-page SEO in a very simple way. Many business owners hear these words but do not know what they mean. They also ask which one is more important and which one should come first. Imagine you own a store. Inside the store, everything is clean and easy to find. The signs are clear. The staff helps customers. Buying is simple. This is like on-page SEO. Now imagine people outside the store talk about your business. Customers recommend you. News websites mention you. Trusted companies tell others to visit you. This is like off-page SEO. So, on-page SEO is what you improve on your own website. Off-page SEO is the trust and reputation you build outside your website. A good website with no trust may stay invisible, and strong trust pointing to a weak website may not create customers. On-page SEO includes the things you can directly change on your website. The first part is content. Your page should answer what the visitor is really looking for. For example, someone searches for best accounting software. They probably want to compare tools, prices, and features. If your page only explains the history of accounting, it may be well written, but it does not answer the search. So always ask, does this page give the customer the answer they need? The title also matters. It should clearly explain what the page is about. The structure should be simple. Use clear headings, short paragraphs, and easy examples. Internal links are important too. These are links from one page of your website to another. They help visitors find useful information, and they help Google understand how your pages are connected. The technical side also matters. Can Google find your pages? Does the website load quickly? Does it work well on a phone? Are the forms and buttons working? A page can have great content and still fail if the website is slow or broken. Now let's talk about off-page SEO. Off-page SEO is the reputation your business builds across the internet. The best known part is backlinks. A backlink is a link from another website to your website. For example, a trusted business magazine writes about your company and links to your site, but not every backlink has the same value. One link from a trusted and related website can be better than many links from weak or unrelated websites. Quality is more important than quantity. Off-page SEO also includes brand mentions, interviews, expert comments, online news, and digital public relations. The best off-page SEO happens when you create something useful that people truly want to share or mention. Buying hundreds of cheap links is not a good strategy. It can waste money and may harm your website. So which one should come first? For most businesses, on-page SEO should come first. Why? Because you control it. You can improve your content, titles, speed, mobile experience, internal links, and contact forms before asking other websites to trust you. Think about a restaurant. You spend money on advertising and many people visit, but the menu is confusing, the service is slow, and the tables are not ready. The advertising brought people in, but the bad experience pushed them away. The same thing can happen on a website. A simple order is: first, fix technical problems. Next, create pages that answer real customer needs. Then connect your pages with useful internal links. After that, build outside trust with quality backlinks, media coverage, and brand mentions. Get your house ready before inviting people inside. Here's a simple example. A company has useful blog articles. Some trusted websites already link to those articles, but the main service pages receive almost no internal links. The company may think it needs more backlinks, but the real problem is inside the website. The authority is staying in the blog. It is not reaching the service pages that should bring customers. By adding useful internal links from the articles to the service pages, the company can guide that authority to the right place. This shows why on-page and off-page SEO must work together. The final message is simple. On-page SEO builds a page that deserves attention. Off-page SEO builds the trust that helps the page receive attention. Start by improving your website, fix technical problems, create useful content, make the next step clear for visitors, then build outside authority through quality links, media relationships, and a strong brand. When both sides work together, SEO becomes a real system for visibility, trust, and business growth. I'm Shahan Behkamrad, and you have been listening to the Shahan Digital Podcast.